living things in their environment under the subtopic Importance of Adaptations in the Environment. So, in this topic, you'll be coming across the new words that is an environment, habitat, adaptation, and camouflage. Different habitats. There are many different habitats in the environment like forest habitat, grassland habitat, desert habitat, mountain habitat, aquatic habitat, and rock pool habitat. Each of the habitat is a set with the conditions that is suited to a particular organism. What is a habitat? The place where an animal or plant lives and grows is called its habitat. A habitat in which an animal lives must provide it with food, water, and shelter. Now let's learn about rock pool habitat. Rock pool habitat is suitable for small sea animals such as crabs, starfish, limpets, and anemones. It is also suitable for seabirds like crane, flamingo that feeds on these small animals. Many animals are adapted to suit their habitats. For example, the limpets are attached to the rocks by a strong muscular foot, so they do not get washed off when the tide comes in or goes out. Different adaptations of animals. Most animals have some features that are suited to their natural habitat. Example, giraffes. How does the long spotty coat, long tongue help giraffe to suit in grassland habitat? Giraffes are found in grassland of Africa. They feed on the leaves of branches of leaves. The tallest land animals in the world is the giraffe, which feed on grassland. Giraffes' long and strong movable tongue allow them to eat leaves off the top of grassland trees, which help them to avoid competition from other herbivorous animals. A giraffe's neck can be up to 6 feet long and its tongue is as long as 18 inches. A giraffe can consume up to 10 gallons of water at one time, which help them to go without water for long time during the dry seasons. A giraffe pattern spots and light tan to dark brown coloring help camouflage the animal in the grassland habitat. Camouflage means a way of hiding something by covering or coloring it so that it looks like its surrounding. Adaptations of monkeys. Monkeys have adapted to grow in forest or jungle. Jungle monkeys have developed structures that allow them to locate food. They have developed limbs that allow them to swing quickly from tree to tree. With long, hook like hands and flexible feet, forest monkeys such as gibbon can grip branches easily and hold strongly to support their own weight. Let's see the adaptation in freezing condition. Some animals have features that help them live in freezing condition. Example, polar bear. The polar bear's life cycle is closely tied to sea ice. It depends on the ice to hunt seals. They are the strong swimmers and divers. They can swim from one ice cap to the next. Polar bears are covered with two layers of fur and a thick layer of body fat. This helps them to survive in extreme temperatures. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed today's topic and the facts about giraffe, monkey, and polar bear habitat and its adaptation.